And then we need to actually evaluate this system. Okay, and again, we can't evaluate it in terms of the actual recommendation because then we'd have to ask people, what they think of the recommendation. Instead, we try to have a quantifiable metric. And the metric that we use is called the root mean squared error, RMSE. And it's a mouthful. We'll go through how you actually compute it, and we'll walk through it step by step. But it's just basically an error metric. The lower, the better. It's the difference, the error and the prediction versus the actual values, right? So really what we'll end up doing is we will withhold some of the values that we actually know. Like, for instance, this 5 right here, we might hide that from our system. We might hide this 3 from our system and this 3 from our system. And then run through with the values that we're assuming we know, and then test and see how close the values we hid are from what they really are. And then we can therefore make an inference if that's a really low RMSE. If it's really good at predicting a few of the values, then for the ones that we actually don't know, we would assume that it's probably a pretty good system, right? Because we're not using any of the values, so it's kind of the same idea. It's that we don't know them. The recommender system wouldn't know about this value, or this value. And so then we could take this, this, and this, and looking at this table right here, we'd predict values here, here, and here, and then to the RMSE and see how good the RMSE is.